We started to notice that our 11-year-old thermostat seemed inaccurate. We would set the temperature and find that the house was much warmer or colder than the thermostat indicated. To be on the safe side, we decided to have the furnace checked. It seemed like an ideal time to install a new thermostat, so I spent a lot of time researching smart thermostats before purchasing the Honeywell TH9320WF5003. I reviewed Nest, ecobee and Honeywell. Here are some of my findings. The scheduling features are only helpful if you keep a regular schedule. I work from home occasionally and my husband often has an odd schedule. Even though our thermostat is in our family room, where we spend most of our time at home, many reviewers mention problems with the learning sensing features. They mention that their pets triggered the at-home settings. Since we have pets, I decided against this feature. Nest. My HVAC company mentioned they have a lot of problems with Nest. It could be that it is very popular and people install it improperly. I don't like the fact that I am forced to use my phone to review the thermostat settings. Solely having the temperature displayed on the console is not interesting to me. ecobee. My HVAC salesperson mentioned that he installed an ecobee at his home. He said that he doesn't use most of the features. He explained that his family doesn't keep a regular schedule and that temperature changes are what cause most of the utility costs. Like the Nest, I would like more information on the thermostat console. I don't want to have to rely on my phone or laptop to change or review the settings. Honeywell. Our HVAC company recommended Honeywell. The only difference I could find between the Honeywell TH9320WF5003 and the RTH9580WF is that the RTH model is for retail purchase and the TH model is supposed to be sold only by HVAC companies. The TH model has a 5-year warranty only if installed professionally. The RTH model has a 1-year warranty. My HVAC company quoted the TH model at well over $250. He said that his cost was much higher and encouraged me to purchase the same model from Amazon. The only difference would be that they would include a 1-year labor warranty in addition to the 5-year manufacturer's warranty. I was tempted but figured that it would be about the same cost to have the HVAC company return. The C cable provides power to the thermostat. Our old thermostat had batteries, so the HVAC installer had to install a C cable. I found this surprising since our house is only 11 years old. I love the Honeywell console. It shows the current indoor temperature and humidity, the current setting, the outdoor temperature and humidity and the time. The informative console is a huge advantage over the Nest and ecobee.